Hello guys, long time since I have not recorded any video about how things are going with Zcode, so let me show you fast how we are doing. So here is our main membership site, VIP site, you already know it. This is what we call the wall. This is the wall. Let me put the mouse here. This is the wall. Here all the experts and people publish their picks and comments. And here we have, let's go to the top of the page. Let me go quickly here, go quickly to the top of the page. These are all the comments that people have posted today about how they think the games are going. And here we have, so here we have also the analysis per sport. So we have MLB, NHL, NBA, NFL, soccer, tennis, you name it, we have it, everything. So we have NFL. Let's choose the first game, for example NFL. We go here and we can check the analysis for this game and the experts commenting here what is going on, what they think they might happen. So this is incredible, this is amazing. So every game, it's well analyzed by our experts. So then we have here also our amazing tool, the soccer body tool. You see, it's a tool for soccer, and it's over and draws, and yeah, basically it's for goals. So we have tons of greens, you see, tons of winners. Here you can just follow them and you will be good to go. That's amazing. And let's go here with our third-party verified account, BetDog, Bet Manager. We have tracked results since 2014. You can see it, the breakdown per year, and let's see the total amount since March 8, 2014 till yesterday. We have yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy. 1 million. 1.6, almost 1.7 million euros in 2014. It's tracked, and this is our account in BetDog Manager. Then we have here, let me show you a little bit about our live betting bot. So it will be giving you live signals to bet on the games. So this is amazing. Let me show you just the profitable chart that we have just run. Look, the ton of winners that we have. It's amazing, amazing, the tons of winners that we have. But the most amazing thing, it's this, the profitable chart, about 12.5k in the last months. So this is crazy. You can just follow this and you will be good as well. And finally, last but not least, our B365 account. Of course, one of our accounts, we have accounts with B365 with William Hill and many other bookmakers. And here's our balance. Pretty crazy, right? Okay guys, this is how is Zcode doing. So let's see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Ciao.